Welcome to the General Module Overview. Step 1. Select Doctor, then enter your ID and password to log in. Step 2. Select Patient. To preview all of your patient's data, you can find your patient using the file number. Here you can preview profile, history, visits, insurance, and so on. Step 3. Click Patient Visit, to check your waiting list. Click on the patient's name, to open his medical record. You can add the patient's complaints, vitals, diagnosis, and treatment. You can send the patient to laboratory or radiology. Once you finish, click Close Visit, to generate billing to the front desk. Step 4. Click Appointments. Here you can manage your appointments throughout the day, and you can preview a weekly calendar as well. The coloring codes define your patient's status. That's all about the General Clinic module. Thank you for watching.